Wonder how to check the fluids on your BMW 4 Series. So this video will show you, we'll do the windshield washer and coolant, engine coolant. BMW has this double pull on your safety. There's no safety latch, so one hand should operate it and you should be able to lift it. Under the hood, there's not much indication what is what. On the right hand side, this is your engine coolant tank, and we'll be adding some to that. And on the left side, difficult to see, but it is right next to the engine block. There's your oil, engine oil cap. That's where you add oil, but you can't check oil. You have to use your computer settings to check the oil. And on the left, just next to the battery, positive pole, is this little cap that you lift, and there's your windshield washer fluid. First we're gonna add the engine coolant fluid. Take the cap off. I use a little funnel. I'm going to use some premix engine coolant, so which means we're not adding any water to it. I'm just going to pour as this. I don't see any markings, but I'm just going to stop here just to be on the safe side. But there's always an overflow, so if there's too much fluid, it will be pushed out. Put the cap back on, and that's that. Now we're gonna add windshield washer fluid. Just open this cap on the far left side on your engine bay. However, we can't tell how much fluid there is in it already, so it's just gonna be a crapshoot. I'm gonna pour in it till the fluid starts coming back, I guess. So that's the drawback of this system. I can't see the tank and I have no idea how much. Oh, well, I guess that indicates that's poor. So keep pouring until the fluid starts backing up, and that means now your tank is full. You close that back. Here's your engine add-on oil, which you can add, but we can't check. There's no dipstick here. You have to use the engine computer inside the monitor, inside the car, to tell how much oil you have. And we added engine coolant fluid, which if there's too much, the temperature will push it out and it will leak out if there's too much. So close the hood. There's no safety latch. Close the hood. And there's your fluid check in your 4 Series BMW. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.